Workers in one division of Activision Blizzard, the major video game company behind popular franchises such as Call of Duty, Overwatch, and Candy Crush, have voted to join the Communication Workers of America. The employees unionizing are 28 quality assurance testers at Raven Software, a subsidiary of Activision Blizzard. The final vote count was 19 votes in favor, 3 against. While the vote directly impacts only a small number of workers, the push for unionization is being watched by many in the games and tech industry. "It's a beautiful day to organize," said former Activision employee and organizer Jessica Gonzalez, who live-streamed a watch party of the vote count on TV. "We are going to celebrate and get ready to make a contract. We respect and believe in the right of all employees to decide whether or not to support or vote for a union," said Activision Blizzard spokesperson Kelvin Liu in an emailed statement. "We believe that an important decision that will impact the entire Raven Software studio of roughly 350 people should not be made by 19 Raven employees." Microsoft announced in January it is planning to buy Activision Blizzard in an almost $70 billion deal, pending a go-ahead from federal regulators. Microsoft, which makes Xbox, is hoping to use Activision Blizzard's properties to break into mobile gaming and to better position itself in the future. Also in January, Raven QA workers announced they were forming the Game Workers Alliance Union in conjunction with the Communications Workers of America. Many of NPR's broadcast technicians are also a part of CWA. By that time, workers had organized multiple strikes and temporary work stoppages protesting layoffs. Workers say they have been frustrated for years, citing lack of communication from management, low pay, and long hours, especially right before a product launch. Labor organizers also point to the way they say Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick mishandled numerous sexual misconduct allegations within the workplace. The company has faced a number of state and federal lawsuits alleging people at the company sexually harassed and discriminated against its female employees. "Our goal is to make Activision Blizzard a model for the industry, and we will continue to focus on eliminating harassment and discrimination."